Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install tomorrow MMO Nuclear Gas game on your PC. Guys, first open up your end browser and just search for the BlueStacks, and BlueStack website will appear on the top. So just open up this bluestack.com website. Here you will see the option of download BlueStacks 10. So just click on this option and start going to download and install the launcher of the BlueStack. Just open up the BlueStack launcher and it will take some time, so just wait for it. Here you will see the option to install it. Just click on the install and download and install it on your PC. Guys, once it was completely downloaded and installed, now the BlueStack shortcut will add to your desktop of your PC. Now just open up the BlueStack launcher and it will take some time, so just wait for it. Guys, once it was open, here you will see the option of system apps. Just click on the system apps and you will see the Play Store. So just open up the Play Store, and once it was open, now you'll see the option of search box. Just click on that search box option and just click on the search apps and games. And now just type here the game name, which is the Tomorrow MMO Quest. Now this game will appear on the top, so just open up this Tomorrow MMO Nuclear Quest game. Now just open up the first game and then just click on the install, and that's how you can download and install this game on your PC and easily play it. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye.